Ever wondered how to snag that perfect item on eBay for a steal by outsmarting the competition? Let's dive into the thrilling world of eBay bidding, the heartbeat of every awesome auction. First things first, find an item you love. Navigate to the auction listing page. You'll see a current bid amount and a your bid box. This is where the magic happens. To place a bid, simply type the maximum amount you're willing to pay into the your bid box. Don't worry, eBay is smart. It won't necessarily show your maximum bid to everyone. It will only bid up to the next increment necessary to keep you in the lead, or to meet the reserve price if one is set. Once you've entered your maximum bid, click the Place Bid button. Confirm your bid by clicking again on the confirmation screen. You've now officially entered the auction arena. If your bid is the highest when the auction ends, congratulations, you've won. If another bidder places a higher bid, you'll be notified by eBay. You can then choose to place a higher bid or let the item go. Remember, bidding is a strategy. Consider your budget and don't get caught up in a bidding war you can't afford. Happy bidding.